Finding the best Christmas presents for family and friends can be stressful on the run-up to the big day. When shopping around $250 to $500, you get to play in some entertaining areas, like game consoles, robots, and even 3D printers. Secret Santa gift exchanges are tricky, and you have to find something thoughtful and affordable for a person that you might not even know. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest and affordable products that fit under your budget. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a unique, easy to use, a beginner-friendly 3D printer that brings 3D printing to the masses with its simple menu system displayed on a 2.8-inch color IPS touchscreen. It offers assisted leveling system that reduces calibration to single tap on the touchscreen, and the print nozzle can be swapped out in seconds without the need for tools of any kind. Also, it features 8 GB of internal memory, a USB port, a Wi-Fi radio with a hotspot, and a built-in camera for monitoring print operations. Also, it has a quick change nozzle that allows you to change the nozzle in seconds without the need for tools of any kind. Additionally, it offers a built-in sensor that recognizes low filament levels and will pause prints in progress until filament is reloaded. The Anki Vector is a home robot which offers a cloud connected via Wi-Fi, so it's always learning and updating with new skills and features. It's powered by AI and advanced robotics. He's alive with personality and engaged by sight, sound, and touch. It is equipped with a Qualcomm 200 platform, so he computes at a smartphone level and has a capacitive touch sensor that helps him sense being touched and held. Also, the beamforming 4-microphone array allows him to recognize natural speech and source. Besides, it has an ultra-wide HD camera that helps him detect motion and identify people. Another advantage is that it provides 4 drop sensors that detect edges to help him avoid falls, and it comes with an infrared laser scanner which lets him track distance and map environments. The Arturia Instrument 1 is a new kind of digital instrument that adapts to the way you play. It's the first MIDI instrument that lets you strum, slide, tap, and drums any sound on a single interface. It features built-in speakers, accelerometer, all-day battery life, direct iOS connection, and MIDI MPE compatibility. Also, it offers multiple positions and methods, allowing for a better way to play your guitar, bass, synth, violin, and drum sounds. It uses the 1/8-inch headphone jack for creating on your own, or you can switch to the onboard stereo speakers to jam along with friends. Besides, it features durable and lightweight construction, rechargeable battery, and 1-cable simplicity that make it the perfect travel companion. You can plug and play right out of the box with your favorite DAWs and apps. Moreover, you can use the included USB cable to connect to Mac and Windows computers, or use the Lightning cable to play your favorite iOS apps like GarageBand, Animoog, and more. The Xbox One X comes with 8-core custom AMD CPU and is clocked at 2.3 GHz to bring enhanced AI, real-world detail, and smoother interactions to your gaming. It offers 12 GB GDDR5 of graphics memory that adds speed and power to game performance to enable bigger worlds, distant horizons, and quicker load times. Also, it has a 6 teraflop GPU that allows 4K environments and characters to become more realistic than ever, with more detail and smoother animations. Besides, the game graphics are faster and more detailed with 326 GB a second memory bandwidth to keep your gaming momentum flowing. With Xbox One X enhanced games, you can lose yourself in Middle-earth, on the high seas, in a gritty city landscape, or pretty much anywhere. The Apple iPad allows you to take full advantage of the multi-touch Retina display and has an A10 Fusion chip, which is powerful enough to run augmented reality (AR) apps. It is combined with enhanced cameras and advanced sensors, including a gyroscope and accelerator for accurate motion tracking. The iPad delivers an immersive AR experience. Also, it features a 9.7-inch Retina display that has a 2048 by 1536 resolution, resulting in 264 ppi, over 3.1 million pixels. Besides, it has a front 1.2 megapixel FaceTime HD camera and a rear 8 megapixel camera that can record 1080p video. Moreover, it comes with support for 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. The iPad supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands. Another advantage is that the display also features an oleophobic coating, which helps reduce the number of fingerprint smudges. The Nintendo Switch comes with two Joy-Con, each of which can act as a standalone controller with an analog stick, a full complement of the face and shoulder buttons, built-in motion sensing, and HD rumble technology. It includes an IR motion camera that can detect the distance, shape, and motion of nearby objects in specially designed games. It has a 6.2-inch capacitive multi-touch screen with a resolution of 1280 by 720. Also, the TV mode supports 5.1 channel surround sound. Besides, the battery life can last for up to 6 hours, but this will vary depending on the software and usage conditions. It has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, a portion of which is reserved for use by the system, and it has the option to expand its capacity using microSD-XC or microSD-HC memory cards. Besides, up to 8 systems can connect over a local wireless connection in compatible multiplayer games. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.